Friends, I don't want to take much time. Today we are here to inaugurate the first ever pay structure done by the Honorable Chief Minister, by Pak Rumbui, by Pak Menteri, and also by Pak Harshandi. This structure, I'm telling you, is so deep, very deep. Last year, let me tell you one thing, we could not sleep well. Thinking how to structure the package of our beloved teachers, both SSA, ad hoc, as well as for teachers. But let me tell you one thing. By the help of Almighty God, we were able to do it. It is not Colonel Sama, it's not Preston. He's the one who made us happen. It has happened, and we are going to continue doing the right thing for the interest of the state. We are all here to witness the joyous moment that we have. My colleague ministers, Mr. Tidi Shira, Mr. Sanbor Shulai, he is also part of this celebration. Dr. Silindo is part of this celebration. And the senior officers from the department are all here with all of you. My dearest teachers, thank you so much for collecting yourself over here. Thank you so much for the prayer you made. And please, I fervently request all of you, remember in your prayers, right from the Honorable Chief Minister, the Cabinet colleague, all the MLAs of the state, and also the citizens of the state. Please remember in your prayer. Just to refresh your mind, my dearest teachers, as rightly said by your President, Barambai, 2018, we were elected by the people of state, and ultimately we have to serve the state and take over the leadership of the government in the month of March 2018. Immediately after the budget session of 2018, I think the Honorable Chief Minister, he remember it correctly, we immediately went to Delhi to meet the Honorable Union Finance Minister that time, late Jetli. We went straight to his house, we sat down with him, and the Honorable Chief Minister that time, he placed the petition to the Honorable Finance Minister, Government of India, for releasing the pending salary of the SSA teachers, more or less about 300 crores that time. 300 crores that time. That was the first challenge that we had. And I am so happy to remind all of you, just after 2 months, your pending salary was released. Then the second problem we have again, the areas. Then again we had a meeting with the association. Then we took a decision that we will release it on installment basis, and ultimately that also was cleared. That was the starting point, that we prove our seriousness and our sincerity towards our beloved teachers. And my dearest teachers, therefore, today is the second milestone that you have. Menta kasni kadai, kasni kabansa jingkan mau, paten la paten. Balay nga ong kumta na marba. Kito kisni, kisden, kibanay, kibalalek no, kibami ong. Ba ka SSA scheme kan kut no. Daki pawajangut kinong hikay. Kalak bagpoy kapor bakin liat nga. Ar hajar arpusan. Kung mga ong man yasyong haka meeting ke jung ya kabinet baki department nakapor sa kapor ban penting na bakata ka jing artatin mat ka jing rik bensim ke jompi bangin wen no hadu pakinya songkai, and it has happened to me. Nong hikay baik kena kelajian ayo iya kedur kekbat kebapusam kijoki. Namar balada piong sa kumno pinsyong thai kapung kapor balabuk pansyong thai. Ngidanya keren kafes kabalai kabangin ke komen beginship. The third challenges that we have now is about the secondary and the higher secondary level. This is the next step that we are going to take a decision, the toughest decision. Min penbit penbiang yaki secondary baki higher secondary. Kini ki school kibingan ong haka keteng ad hoc kalak dia. Berapa pelur tam sisis dan mundur begini pelur. Berapa pelur tam begini pelur. Nah kebentar kami ke primary but upper primary level. Mentang isdang gua out kumno begini improve. Ngit penbit penbiang saya ke secondary but ke higher secondary. Ban next camp. Ladi la banle saya kide ke artuli. Ngangai skem baka jelam megla jomi. Kan kelatur pateng la pateng. Ngangai skem mabiginong hikay ba pinya trelang batni kum kasota. Ban penurlong ya kini. Our Honorable Chief Minister, we share from time to time. He said, He used to call me Awang. Exactly, the perlu pergi kai garu. Kamu di you Awang. I call him Awang, he called me Awang. Because we have taken a decision that let us bring reformation for the secondary and the higher secondary. See, the blessing will keep coming to the state of Bengal. So, my dearest teachers, please work together with us. Don't give me a tray shit on that. We need a tray lang. Beri ya kamalay. Namar ba hak jingong breu ndai breu bopiang lut na kli kita. We don't come keji ya slok keji ya breu jingmut keji ya tray lang. Mulai do pisu ben bet bukai tu bomlong nak kli kejat kata apa kala. Namar i don ki breu ki basneu bakat kim dol show operate. Bapiang lut ngan ong PM ni datang ki breu. Kibabon kisinduna tendre itu ni tren ni ya boleh jemput balik set up ya kena ke education commission dekane ke sarkar mas look serious khamtam ya ka boleh piti we don't menda ka commission but ka bangi bu ya ki members at the commission lo ki de ki educationist ki professional kiban recommend ya kiban pun kibenta bagi transform ya ka education sector bagi layo i yang yo tu epi kinam hikabi ilayo i ya kecing kelado akan mau men last year when the MBOS exam was declared. Don kibawa kejap kibawa ong ba kani mal adik pet kotu. Barpoi hana di kita ke 90% along pet kotu. The real chief minister jomi ki judicial department galak mo. Ka publish kitu ke help ko. Habi publish kitu help ko kaya hado katu. Khamtam yang isu nak kondong, ngai le pengawan sekolah nak kondong sekolah tu apa? Atau apa orang kebajar notes, ya pas betrik dah kebajar notes. Don kibat hok pot kubur ngai i kibat om hana ba kan ni kamlong. Tengah maju om i kibat lok kibat om long, kai ke balong, semua ba pergi ke. Bisu criticize lomo. Subong long, si bom long, kai ke balong. Pen-i yo korna pen-i yo perstun kai ke balong bangin penuh apa dia kata betul kau temlai na ong yo pi katu ka help book ka initiative ka bau chief minister kat education department ka sin kalau ka jingker khu ya ke kun samla jomi khamtam anu kundok pipet biang mana kena result MBOS kalau kecingker khu ke bakral dan nak tahu bahwa orang yang diminta ni nak kalian ke sarkar hapok jengelam jong ukon rat sama minta minta saya ke secondary bat ke higher secondary koki kebeki kepala syai pidon station ng kendok Ngimkwa ba pidya tuwit siya de siya sarsilong Ray pinapas kajing puli jo pinangki Namarhadin magilapas siya ka higher secondary Kikon jo ngi ka pro kajabing kajoki Ngi kikime kikpa kay bawan nanong kendong kajing snow du tiya du dem Teng-teng haka juk ka pemerintah lagi hapan paskuli kikon jo ngi siya sarsilong Mangi kikime kikpa teng-teng ngimyo tiya ngimyo dem Namar kajing snow ka basyukay Kata kadigijing ang nur jongi nakasorka Kokinong hikay ba i syuang bangan syong Nga da kerpangat da kabas ngawrit Tray sitong maghiyo Hakane ka primary level. Haka po primary level. Tracy Tom Medban Nasim. Mano bom kwa badyo ba kajala me klajumi kayo sispa na kasispa haka jingnang kajingta. Ngakwa ban ong yapi kajingla haka jelaju. Kat sign kabalak banyo ya kajingla. Kaban nungkong kadai haka education sector. Ladangila ban pengelak yaki hukum trekap ban penjanai yaki polisi trekap haka berdei baka education sector nga kerbens kem baka jelam niklaya jumi kan kiustek baka longro kawai nagisti kaban pauna hapo kari India jumi parawai sasisin siya bangan siyong ngai kumle yapi iway pa iway boleh try kenal pun kerku kerok ya